It isn't easy to drop a couple of pounds instantly. People always say that a lifestyle change needs to be made in order to lose the weight and keep it off. We are also told that to lose weight, we need to eat healthier and work out regularly. Well, it's true, and in this video, we'll count down the top foods women should eat when they are trying to lose weight. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will allow you to receive all the updates from your number one bestie. It's no surprise that what you eat is directly correlated to how you feel overall. If you are eating healthy and are burning more calories than you are consuming, then yes, you will lose weight. But not only that, you will also have an increased amount of energy, have fewer health problems, and have better mental health. If you are someone who wants to learn more about foods that will help you burn fat, you have come to the right place. We have compiled a list from studies about the best types of fat-burning foods. So keep watching for a countdown of the top 18 fat-burning foods for women. And make sure you watch until the very end, because after counting down the top foods that help burn fat, we'll give you a list of foods you should absolutely avoid eating when you're trying to cut the fat. 18 citrus fruits. According to a study done in 2016 by the American Chemical Society, citrus fruits can prevent obesity-related heart disease, diabetes, and liver disease. One way to get more citrus in your diet is by adding them to your water. 17. Walnuts. We have known for a while that eating nuts is good for you, but now we know which ones are the best to eat. A study in the journal Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism found that walnuts, in particular, contain an ingredient that can satisfy your appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. This will cause you eat less. 16. Popcorn. The University of Scranton performed a study that found that popcorn contains large amounts of polyphenols. Polyphenols are linked to many health benefits, such as improved digestion and better blood circulation. If you don't add any salt, butter, or oil, and if you air pop your popcorn, this can be a great healthy snack to help you lose weight. 15. Berries. Scientists at Harvard University found in 2016 that increasing the daily intake of berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, can help people lose weight for the long term. It is said that the reason for this is because berries have high amounts of flavonoids, which have been linked to weight loss. 14. Whole grains. A Tufts University study proved that people who eat 3 or more daily servings of whole grains, such as oatmeal, had 10% less belly fat than people who ate the same amount of white carbs. This is said to be because whole grains are higher in fiber, which keeps you full for longer. 13. Avocados. A study published in the journal Internal Medicine Review found that avocados can help people lose weight for many reasons. The reason for this weight loss is because avocados are rich in many nutrients that help with higher intakes of fiber, healthy fats, vitamins E and C, folate, magnesium, copper, and potassium. 12. Cayenne pepper. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition performed a study that found that daily consumption of one of the compounds found in pepper speeds up abdominal fat loss. It does this by boosting the body's ability to convert food into energy. Next time you're cooking, add some cayenne pepper to spice up some meat or vegetarian dishes. 11. Salmon. A 2015 study from Kyoto University found that salmon helps your body transform fatty white fat cells into fat-burning beige cells. Salmon helps build muscle when following a steady workout routine. It also contains the right types of fats such as omega-3s, which helps your body burn more fat. Do you eat any of the foods listed so far in this video? Well, keep watching to find out the number one food you should eat that can help you lose weight. 10. Cinnamon. Researchers at the University of Michigan have found that cinnamaldehyde, which is an essential oil in cinnamon, activates thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is a metabolic bodily process that helps burn calories and produce heat. So if you add some cinnamon to your oatmeal in the morning, you're literally going to be burning fat cells. 9. Apples and pears research, which was posted on the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2003, stated the results of a study by the State University of Rio de Janeiro on a correlation between apples, pears, and weight loss. Women were instructed to eat apples, pears, or oatmeal cookies 3 times a day. After 12 weeks, the group that had a fruit supplement lost more weight and had a greater decrease in blood glucose than the group that ate the oatmeal cookies. 8. Chicken. A 2013 study in the medical journal Obesity found that boosting dietary protein decreases total body fat and abdominal fat and helps increase lean body mass and your body's energy expenditure during periods of weight maintenance and weight loss. 7. Spinach. A study done by the journal Hormones states that eating 3 cups of spinach a week can speed up weight loss by 10%. Author of the study, Petya Kamenova, MD, says that spinach has a lot of lipoic acid, which is a compound that helps block sugar from getting into blood cells. This causes the sugar to be used for energy instead of being stored as fat. 6. Whey protein. A study posted to the U.S. National Library of Medicine found that whey protein supplements increase fat loss and help develop lean muscle. The study had subjects take Prolibra, which is a whey protein supplement. Subjects taking Prolibra lost 6.1% of their body fat mass. 5. Eggs. A 2018 report from the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, CSIRO, stated that eating more protein for breakfast can help fat loss. It is recommended to have 25 grams of protein in your breakfast to speed up your metabolism and stave off cravings. One way to get protein into your breakfast is by eating eggs and changing them up daily so it never gets boring. 4. Milk. A 2007 study conducted by McMaster University states that if you want to burn fat, drinking milk is the way to do it. The study had 2 groups of people. One group drank regular milk and the other group drank soy milk. The milk drinking group came out on top in terms of muscle gain, with an estimated 40% or 2.5 pounds more muscle mass than the soy beverage drinkers. It's important to gain muscle because it's our muscles that help us burn fat. 3. Beans. A study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine Journal found that eating more beans improved blood sugar control and slashed heart disease risk for patients with type 2 diabetes. Beans also contain good plant-based proteins that will keep you fuller for longer. 2. Purple sweet potatoes. According to a review published in Biomedical and Environmental Sciences in 2015, sweet potatoes are rich in resistant starch, which helps reduce the risk of obesity. 1. Mustard. If you are someone who loves to cook or use mustard as a condiment, good news is coming your way. Scientists from Oxford Brookes University claim that mustard can increase your calorie burn by 20%. Mustard also contains 0 calories, so you can eat as much of it as you want without worrying about going over your daily calorie limit. Here are 3 foods that you should absolutely avoid if you want to shed those pounds. First up, sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like pop and juice are an absolute no when it comes to trying to lose weight. These types of drinks are often laden with empty calories. Why consume your calories through drinks when you can have a meal instead? The Boston Public Health Commission states that sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, gout, and more. So avoid these types of beverages like the plague if you want to eat healthier and lose weight. Next, fast food. Fast food items often carry excess calories, which can lead to weight gain, obesity, and eventual respiratory and heart problems. Most fast food items are also loaded with carbohydrates, sugar, and trans fat. They also contain sodium, which, according to Healthline, can elevate your blood pressure and put stress on your cardiovascular system. Lastly, alcohol. According to the Foundation for Alcohol Research and Education, not only is alcohol full of empty calories, but it also stops your body from burning fat and can make you feel hungry. Alcohol also lowers your inhibitions, making you more prone to overeating when you are drinking. Alcohol also has many other serious health risks besides weight gain, including high blood pressure, insulin resistance, liver disease, and more, so it's best to avoid it all together. So now that you know what you should and shouldn't eat when you are dieting, what are some of your favorite foods to eat when you're dieting? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.